In today's video, I'm aiming to teach you how to record and expense Zoho books. Let's get you comfortable logging day-to-day costs so your reports stay accurate and up to date. We'll move through the exact path you'll see in the app, and I'll explain what each field means so you can choose the right options with confidence. Start on your Zoho Books dashboard. First, open the Purchases section. You'll find it in the main navigation. Think of purchases as the home base for anything you buy for the business. Inside Purchases, go to Expenses. This is where every out-of-pocket cost, subscription, utility, and similar spend will live. Now create a new record by choosing New. This opens a fresh expense form. We'll fill it out from top to bottom so nothing gets missed. Begin by selecting the date. Choose the date the money actually left your account, not necessarily the date on the invoice if they're different. Getting the date right keeps your cash flow timeline and period reports accurate. Next, select the expense account. This is the category that tells your reports what kind of cost it is, such as software, office supplies, fuel, or meals. Pick the most specific account that matches the purchase. If you consistently choose the right category, your profit and loss statements will be far more useful. Enter the amount. Type in the total as it appears on the receipt or statement for that single transaction. Double check for the correct currency if you work across borders, and make sure the amount reflects what actually cleared, especially if there were discounts or tips included. Now select Paid Through. This is the account the money came from, like a specific bank account, credit card, spot, or petty cat. Choosing the correct PUA paid through ensures your balances and reconciliations line up later. For example, if you used a corporate card, select that card so the expense reduces that card's balance in Zoho Books. Once everything looks right, the date, the expense account, the amount, and the paid through account, go ahead and save. Saving adds the expense to your list and updates your books immediately. If you notice a typo or pick the wrong category, don't worry. You can open the same expense later and make corrections so your records remain clean. That's all you need to reliably record an expense in Zoho Books. Keeping these fields consistent will make month-end reviews smoother and give you clearer insights into where your money is going. Thanks for watching, and feel free to replay any section while you enter your next expense to follow along step by step.